Hello guys, what's up? My name is Prasenjit Kapse and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before this video, I shared my experience about Ivy Lab in the VNIT Nagpur. So the result of the Ivy Lab is out and I am not selected in it. So this is not the end of what I think. There is again lot of opportunities ready for me. I have to make efforts and make the gold out of that. So I'm feeling very bad that after doing a lot of efforts for the 3 to 5 months doing projects of that for selecting in it, so I'm not selected in it. So it's a very bad moment for me when I see the result for the first time. It came yesterday at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. About 10 p.m. Okay, so it was very I can't say, I don't have the words for that. Okay, so what I think now is I now completely focus on my academics as I'm not in any club now for now. Okay, coming in my first year, I thought I will be joining many of the clubs, and I gave an interview for every clubs in the VNIT, but unfortunately I not selected in it. My main focus was in coding, so I wanted to go in the Ivy Labs. That also failed. So after seeing yesterday result, I was very sad for night and I was thinking what will I do now. So this is not the end of my life. Okay, my coding journey, I will be continuing it. So I thought to now focus on my academics as well as do the coding in relation with that. Okay, so now I will try to take part in many of the competitions, or any voluntary program. I try to take if uh, I try to do activities in all that thing, and I hope so the offline classes will be started from December after the third sem. I'm from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. Okay, so here most of the colleges has been started. Okay, now it will be start from 8th of the October, 20th of the October, or from the November. Okay, so I today I talked with my friends, or a friend of 12th class. Okay, he was with me, and now he's in COEP. So he said that their second semester over, and the result is still to come out. Okay, so and the colleges will be starting from the third sem. So our third sem also completed, and now we have only the um, three what okay, sorry, there are total 8 sem, so our three sem over. So now 5 sems are there. Okay, so hope so it will be a life changing, as well as gaining lot of memories in there. How this 3 semester over, I don't know. Okay, so most of the students don't know, but most of the students also made something in this 3 semester. They learn lot of thing online, and I also try to learn many things in the online. Okay, so but I was very weak in the academics for the first and the second semester. I hope so the third sem will be good for me. Okay, I tried to do study nowadays, because so in the first and second semester I didn't study anything. Um, okay, so don't ask me how you given the exam. Okay, so most of the students know how the online exams were, and in the NITs and IITs also, most of the exams, online exams, where students know how they give. Okay, so but in some colleges like COEP, it is very strict. They can't copy at all. Means in the exams also there are a lot of states, and the students don't know how. Okay, and in the um, quizzes also and viva were so strict in COEP. In our college also it was so little strict, but not that much. Okay, so on the online basis, if there are new teachers like who are doing PhDs in the some IITs, so they are so strict. We experienced one of those teacher. But apart from that, those who are there for from the long time, they are not that much strict, but they are so experienced that they the vivas they take more of us, means can't say what they ask very silly questions as well as tough question, so not able to give the answers, so they deduct marks. So and my first and second semester vivas were so weak, and I was not able to give the answers. So that's why the Vivas, because of Vivas, my CGPA lows down. But now I'm studying, and my about 2 3 Vivas over in third sem. So it was little nice. I hope so. My CGPA will increase in third sem. It was should I say what my CGPA in the first second sem? No, I will. In the upcoming videos, I will be telling about that. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.